This is Fred Wall, the VisaCoach. Today's topic is USCIS is enforcing IMBRA, the International Marriage Broker Regulation Act.
VisaCoach. Fast, easy, and personal.
Hi, my name is Fred Wall, and I am the VisaCoach, known for front-loaded immigration presentations that tell your story, leading to fast and easy approval and the personal one-on-one attention you receive as my client. I invented the three-step immigration success method, which anticipates the likely problems and red flags your case might face, and then squashes those issues by working together with you on the ideal appearance of your case and preparation of my signature front-loaded presentation that tells your story the way we want it heard. When properly implemented, my method helps win approval for your visa even before the interview starts. So today's topic is USCIS is enforcing IMBRA, the International Marriage Broker Regulation Act. The International Marriage Broker Act of 2006 has been a bogey on the horizon for American men and women who are in long-distance relationships with foreign-born partners who met them online at dating websites. The law puts draconian restrictions on how an American is allowed to meet his partner if he uses an online dating service. Basically, every dating service, regardless of where located in the world, is supposed to comply with this regulation if they have American clients. To follow the Act's regulations, the dating service must obtain written and detailed consent from any foreign-born person before any form of direct communication with the American is possible. This confusing act requires the American to first provide confidential information about himself to the website. Then the foreign-born date views the confidential information after it's been translated to his or her native language. And finally, she must sign and date a document that has all this information agreeing to allow communications to begin. And the dating site should hang on to this piece of paper. When this onerous law came out in 2006, some companies like mine, heartofasiaonline.com, converted our websites to fully comply with the law. This meant that clients from US and overseas found many more hoops to jump through in order to join our membership and meet their foreign loves. By following this law, my company, heartofasiaonline.com, lost thousands each month as clients gravitated to other websites that had easier registration and contact processes because they ignored the law. Many other companies abandoned the business altogether. And many companies and businesses, especially non-US based services, decided to ignore the law. And ignoring the law has paid off for these companies, as for the past 9 years, they have continued to collect good US dollars while scoffing at the IMBRA laws. Now, up to now, this hasn't been a problem for them or their clients, as the IMBRA laws have not been fully enforced. However, USCIS has been gradually implementing inch by inch some of the procedures as mandated by IMBRA. The most recent turn of events has been implemented about beginning of summer 2015. Now, each time a fiancé visa petition is submitted to USCIS and the couple confirms that they met at an online dating website, USCIS stops processing on their case and sends them a request for evidence, RFE. And this is what it says. The evidence in the file reflects that you met the beneficiary through the services of an international marriage broker, IMB. You stated you met the beneficiary through fill-in-the-name.com. This website is considered to be an international marriage broker as it is a business that charges fees for providing dating, matrimonial, matchmaking services, or social referrals between United States citizens and foreign nationals. Therefore, you are required to submit a copy of the signed written consent form that the international marriage broker obtained from the beneficiary, authorizing the release of her personal contact information to you. The decision of whether to approve or deny your petition will be based upon the type of evidence submitted and its credibility. Now, wow, this is quite a problem when the majority of websites during the last 9 years have ignored the law. And now the couple, not the website, are in trouble for not complying with IMBRA. I have helped many couples draft replies, answers to these requests. Sometimes we do have a consent form. Sometimes we deny the website is an international marriage broker. And sometimes we just say, well, now we know it's an international marriage broker. We didn't follow the rules, but please let it pass. So far, all the couples I have worked with, none yet have had their petitions denied due to using a non-IMBRA compliant dating service. But I believe it's just a matter of time till USCIS takes the next logical step and starts denying visa applications of those who violated U.S. law by using websites that violated IMBRA. I suggest any couple who is met at a dating website should right away confirm with the administrator of that website whether IMBRA rules were followed or not, and if followed, obtain written proof. And of course, for any American now, first time going online to find his partner from overseas, I strongly suggest you only join a dating service that is fully IMBRA compliant. This is Fred Wall, the Visa Coach. Call me.
Before starting your immigration adventure, before entering an arcane maze of rules, regulations, and procedures, before committing yourself to a risky path that could mean an end to your happiness, speak with the Visa Coach and ask for his free consultation. He listens to you to learn the red flags and strengths of your case, your eligibility and goals. He will suggest which visa is right for you, the best strategy to get it, and how soon your love can join you. The friendly advice and wisdom he'll freely share with you might make the difference between approval and denial, and could save you months or years of loneliness and separation. What have you got to lose? Book your free consultation today.